Students have been saying the August SAT this past weekend had so much geometry on it, and this question probably would have tripped some people up. We've got a circle with center P. Points A and B on the circle and the arc between them measures 45 degrees. That same arc has a length of 4 pi units, and we need the radius. The formula connecting arc measure and arc length is arc length equals theta over 360 times 2 pi r. Theta is your degree measure, and 2 pi r is just the full circumference. So basically, whatever fraction of the full circle your arc is, that same fraction applies to the circumference. So, plugging in our degree into that formula, we have 45 over 360. Simplify that, and we get 1 over 8. So this arc is 1/8 of the entire circle. Since we know that, and we know the full circumference of any circle is 2 pi r, to get the length of just this one arc, we take 1/8 of the full circumference. That means arc length equals 1/8 times 2 pi r. If we simplify that, we can simplify our 2 times 1/8, so we get 1/4. So that becomes 1/4 times pi r. Now we set the two things we know equal to each other. We know the arc length is 4 pi, and we just found that the arc length is also equal to 1/4 times pi r. So 4 pi equals 1/4 times pi r. Type that straight into Desmos and solve for r. We can use regression here. Don't bother cleaning up the pi's and the fractions by hand. R equals 16. Now here's the trap. Arc length and arc measure are not the same thing. Arc measure is the angle in degrees. Arc length is the actual distance measured in units along the curve. If you plug in 45 as if it were a length, you'll never land on the right setup. So our answer here is 16. And if you want every resource and trick I used to score a perfect 800 in the SAT math section, comment September below and I'll send it your way.